The Real Thing Norwegian Band. Band members: Paul Wagnberg Hammond organ, Staffan William-Olsson guitar, Dave Edge alto saxophone, Hermund Nygård drums. Discography: 1992, The Real Thing Real Records featuring Køhn, Wagnberg, William-Olsson and Størmer. 1993, In New York Real Records, feat. Lou Solf, produced by Georg Wedenius, and nominated for the Spelleman Prize in 1994 with Køhn, Wagnberg, William-Olsson and Størmer. 1994, A Perfect Match Real Records, with Bo Husland Big Band, arranged and produced by the Los Angeles-based arranger Tom Cubis with Køhn, Wagnberg, William-Olsson and Størmer. 1995, Live Real Records. 1997, Pleasure is an Attitude Real Records. 2000, Deluxe Real Records, with Even Kruse Skatrud and the Norwegian Radio Orchestra. 2003, New Rapping Real Records. 2006, A Real Christmas Real Records, feat. Sigrid Brennhaug on vocal. 2011, Back on Track Real Records. 2018, Oh No, Not The Real Thing, Again, Real Records.